In this video, I'll show you how to fix Samsung TV remote not working or responding. I will also show a picture of my dog. Step 1. Check your batteries. Replace batteries with new ones, ensuring correct polarity. Remove batteries and press any button to discharge residual power before reinserting. Also wait for around 10 seconds. Step 2. Pair your smart remote. Press and hold the return and play/pause buttons simultaneously for more than 3 seconds until pairing prompt appears on TV. Step 3. Remove obstacles and electronic interference. Ensure nothing blocks the remote signal to the TV sensor and move away other electronic devices that may interfere. Step 4. Check infrared signal. Use a phone or digital camera to check if the remote's IR infrared emits light when buttons are pressed. If you don't see a light, then the remote may be faulty. The infrared light should look red, probably. Step 5. Reset remote. Remove the batteries, hold the power button for 8 seconds, then reinsert the batteries and test. For solar remotes, press return and enter for 10 seconds. Step 6. Power cycle your TV. Turn off and unplug your TV for 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and power on using TV buttons. Step 7. Contact Samsung support. If none of the above works, consult Samsung Service Center or replace the remote. And that is your troubleshooting guide for the Samsung TV remote. And because you made it till the end, I got a nice picture of my cute dog. Thanks for watching, subscribe.